Okay, so let's take a look at how you can use AI for Zapier. And here you can see there is this prompt box, right? I can type in the scenario that I want. For example, let's say whenever new email comes in from the sender on line 27, make an entry in Google Sheets, right? So here I will run this particular Zap through AI prompt and it will show you the progress, right? So here one of the Zap you already have like this. Okay, so track emails, right? And if I click on try it, it will go to the editor. It will show you the trigger and event there, right? So app event, right? Here I can change the event to, let's see, so let's see, new email, right? And I will continue this. Then you can choose the account. Next thing, continue again for trigger. So here I will just check for label mailbox. So can check from the inbox, right? Then we can continue this to test trigger. Okay, it should work considering we already connected the account. Now within this I can search for something, right? So we have like email A type, looks cleaner. You can pick this email B type. Okay, so pick the one that is closer. You can also find additional records. Continue with selected record and I will show you the spreadsheet. Now click next. Now here the drive is my Google Drive. Spreadsheet, I will have to pick the Zapier one. Pick the worksheet if you want, right? And then we have like these two fields, email. So within email, from name is what I want, and within body I will just put in subject, right? And it will pick that field up, right? So we have like these two things ready. I will continue this. I can test this step. It should work. It will get added and we are ready to publish, right? So once published, it will show you that your Zap is published. We created this from AI setup all the way to publishing this particular trigger. Now I will go back to my Zaps. We have one of the Zap which is running correctly, right? So you get the idea exactly how to create Zap using AI.